Nehye so ebesi akọ game park games ena asi akongon a ye den komoni na enso eba na ye hyase e de free UEFA Europa Conference League ni mu enrada o Athens ena game ba akutodwa na ye final game a board boku Olympiacos from Greece womo ene Fiorentina ene hyesi akan game no na no odene eko extra time na ebomwo no Ayub El Khatib ena e kan board de to atena edema board boku aye from Olympiacos ye wie no na Olympiacos for ya bakosem somo abenya omo first ever trophy ewe Europa womo esam mpewa so omo ya ade pa eje Conference League na esi omo na so yenko basafo akache kakra na basafo no mo coach Javi Hernandez eduru baabi omo se papa yi so mo gya ne kwan na okọ papa yi kura di kan ka se board boku no aka na 1 year contract de ba ontiment to aso basafo ne koye meeting edada papa yi eno so beto aso obaya omo so akokase tia club no omo san terminate ne contract mutually omo party ways na basafo akofa papa wakochi eye German national team ne da na wakochi Bayern da womo ede papa ya ba papa yi edi ede Hansi Flick waba no wahyebo se ba bia basa ball boku ne wono obesan de womo akogina mapom magina bia 2 years in contract na papa Hansi Flick asan dia mabasa na oso obeboa pa na waya adwuma ne de amabasafo mo nkoma nto omyem yenko eye ban monekefo akache omo nkomo abepiem e obasafo die mu nti yenko di nkomo kakra ho obekai Vincent company ene de ban liman no wodom ko qualify free championship eba Premier League mu eno osandom bereye esandom ko championship ni mu na banyanfo se de bi omototo omania omope coach omonhu coach bia ogina ne nanso pa because nanu ada na Thomas Tuchel ebeji adwuma no toto papa so sa omasa ake no papa ne ko ese omope coach a ote philosophy ase omope coach a obetimi a develop team no a na ese eye Vincent company Pep Guardiola small boy no Pep Guardiola nso de ne ho adanse ntinei Bayern Monekefo ama Vincent company infrihia miensa so mebo adwuma mfa mo pa no no so aka ese adwuma no be enso aba yentisi fom mrafie yeni nkomode a woni ma se Ghana ewo 2 games ewo manim eye World Cup qualifiers na first game no yebe kom Mali eye Bamako yene Mali foi na bebo na afenso yaba fie on the 10th first game ye 6 second game on the 10th yene Central African Republic ebehiesia kan Otoado enrada eno pa 26 man scored hontoma ensentrefo epinche ne bisa na questions pa na Otoado de atodwa say the squad ne de waye na surprisingly amanfo say the day you captain for the side one friend no and o kire mu say ono ankasa ne the day you or drop in no eduru baabi na ye den na so na so de aduku ebo ne yem pa because o ya de ebebo team no na wa ya de a ebebo o mani na oto adu nkomoni.
So I had a long talk with Andre, personal. I visited him and gave him the reasons why he's not in the squad at the moment, and I usually held it like this, that I don't talk too much about the players who are not in the squad, more about those who are in the squad. So he's not part of the squad at the moment. And Andre is, I mean, as everyone knows, is a legend. He's a living legend of Ghana. What he has reached, it's unbelievable what he did for the country. It was a difficult decision, to be honest, because I like him. I like him as a person, also as a player. But this is the decision we took, and I like I said, it's not like we totally agreed, but I give him the explanation, and so I don't want to take it to another extent. So I had a long talk with Andre, personal. I visited him and gave him the reasons why he's not in the squad at the moment, and I usually held it like this, that I don't talk too much about the players who are not in the squad, more about those who are in the squad. So
Otoado na atene nkano na Baba Rahman enso eni squad ni mu bi eni ebizo Otoado say oto ade na manfa Baba Rahman so ama oso mo contact no omre na di nkomo telephone so ne ba bia akwa ne so onye ready so bebo team no.
What he experienced with the national team, but maybe I want to take this opportunity also to indicate that every one of us has a high responsibility. I don't know what happened after that game, but surely it affected him and his family, and I think we as human beings can do better. and they sacrificed a lot to be with the team, to help Ghana to succeed. And when the answer is, when they don't perform, that we have to bully him and insult him, and I don't know, it doesn't, for me, it's not good. It's not good enough, and this is not my responsibility. It's all of our responsibility, especially the media. And for me, anybody who talks, and it's not like who's personal on somebody.
Now that game against Mali on the seas of next month, no a game back one no better than Otuado. Adom, it is a game on your bayra bewajo. Some call all out because some call Bamako and I call a game no to Otuado is a game no no better than a Pagana for being Yampaibo.
To ask me if I'm assessed if I qualify or not, I think I'm not the right person to answer that question, but surely the aim is to qualify. At the moment we are in the 4th position, only the first one will go through. It will be difficult, especially the next away game in Mali. They have a very, very strong squad. But
Otuado Black Stars coach and yet and common baby 26 man scored no at me out of for Medican Akachero say the day are you Capito and Kahon. 2 new additions, new faces, and aba and he scored no, and so any who Atizigi, Walokot, and Afinso Asari, as a 3 goalkeepers are from Gideon Mensah, Ebenezer Anan, Mohamed Salisu, and so Ejinamo Jerome Poku, Abdul Munim, and Alexander Jiku, Ali Rusedu, Tarek Lamte, Mohamed Kudus, Enes Nuyama, and Abdul Samed Salisu, also a woman Afinso Ibrahim Sulemana. A new additional non-swaba Thomas Partey, Edmond Ado, Elisha Owusu, our squad Nimuna Finso, Abu Aya Francis, Enswepie, Osman Bukari, Abdel Fattawi Shaku, Antoine Semenyo, Jordan Ayew, Ibrahim Osman, Ejina squad Nim Ena Finso, Abrantia Kamal Din, Suleiman, Ejinamu Ena Brantia, Yafan Aya Brandon, Aya Thomas Asante. And so Ewumupa Otuado 26 man squad no yabehwese 2 World Cup qualifiers game where animo no Ghana beat me up police strings I win the game no e de akona animo a ebrenan krabia de monchire mu beba yempiem wo House of Folk na House of Folk ba bia mo danye e wa league table ne so 15 for the relegation kwa no mo benya akọ because so ma anya bibia aka 3 games say House of Folk antimi anya wonders last minute here o maso be hye togbe afere eye ball boku owura e no de tudwa say ba bia duri eye bra team no e ho akọ ahohiahiam na babia during so and was support no set me back from the supporters.
Real supporters, even during difficult times, stick by their clubs, you know, and they should remember that we love the club as much as they do, if not more. That's why we spend time and resources on the club. You know, let them be real supporters. You know, not people who want to cause distractions, diversion of focus from the things that matter that we should be doing. We have to correct all of these things to ensure more fairness in our game. It's really painful, but what can we do? Again, these are the things that our fans should focus on.
Shannon Sumame say Hits FM Repio Jesse 2024 our Aviation Social Center hobe de pa ba favorite team Jesse na wahye e de abana afin so achede atimi akoso aviation na afin so games arroa ese odo hu jimu bi no odo hu agim because on fa sapan sa enko fibra yemfo do modom twitwa pictures na yenje numbers na enko yi pa Ghana had the aviation ebe de pa uyi no si nchen a Asempa FM yene yekukuru afidie ni studio ni na e de akotama T Havana Community 9 hobe de papa because UEFA Champions League final Borussia Dortmund yes team ni omujesi ni yes womo ene Real Madrid the Los Blancos ene besia asia kan sa game no abeba so T Havana eho ene e be kire bobere pa nse so bia wo Ghana nko ade a T Havana eho be de Bernard Padibotwe adwene me wa ha na ye behwe sa game ni mu yie pa because minimum say Carlo Ancelotti no na nia Brazil Champions League we also be retire or Madrid they so ye be extraordinary Padibotwe mama kwa ba
mejo so minu na pomwe
bibia boko na we
bibia boko o se ewi ase nyina ope team bakwa odizane nan so na team bakwa eye papa team bakwa e ka trophies e ba no akuku demu a waje a team bay
oh say Borussia Dortmund
wana Chelsea Dortmund Champions League waje an
ti
waje ba ko nya botre waje ba ko Real Madrid yaje an okay
Adena me tio.
Oh, so say Dortmund into Macau dey to come in here.
Me tio, we dey kasa.
Sir, o shoda nyawe.
Me nyawe.
O say Madrid so ne Dortmund. E shabe 14 times. Na Madrid ya chiom ya bom 6 times. And ma boy 3 times. 5 no I draw it penkro. Into no na what we 1st of June. Ebe de. And baby ebe de pa no T Havana tema committee na. O say Asempa FM, Adom FM, Adom TV. Ya ka say pese ye bibia big. It's no na what we Saturday. I radinyame. Se wan be PM T Havana tema community 9. So what tema community 1. Sa kopim 25. O de onenam ahia man poche ne trio mo hono baby na. I radinyame. Be PM T Havana. Na hono no ana be kire Dortmund. And as Real Madrid for be kire Dortmund say football ni den. Until there's all Manchester United supporter. O ye Chelsea fan. O ye Liverpool, o ye Arsenal, o ye Kotoko, o ye Haas. BPM wo ho na ade ba ko ebe soronko Asempa FM ni Adom FM ni Adom TV ebe ye ne say ade be say ye no soronko ye dey 5 aside ebe to dwa nti so ye Madrid fan o ye Barcelona fan El Clasico ni BPM wo ho ye benya Real Madrid ni Barcelona Clasico wo ho ansana game na ngasa to dwa o sanso ye benya Dortmund ene Real Madrid so wo ho ansana game na to dwa ye benya Kotoko ni Haas biem nti ne say Saturday ni de ebe ye de o say ye be bibi say arm wrestling ebe kire ho den kakra wo yes ye wi so a near the flip the bottle at ho nti de no ni nyina so achede egu ho o say sponsors ni also nti no omo ba omo de achede na eba nti de bibi a ohwe ye fi bibi a ote nka wo no dani weni efa kire T Havana Saturday ya na right ade ba ko soronko ne say o say Asempa FM Adom TV and Adom FM ye de bibi etutu dwa anase de bibi etutu akwemu Saturday no eno no ye pese de betu dwa ochina ye decide en kodunu e betu dwa
but one thing so ne say sika on Adom TV
jackpot ne be piem
pese winning ba bia so ba
star 281 hash star 281 hash star 281 hash
enipa 1 2 3 4 we need 20,000
Ghana cedis 20,000 and eto asase o
na umpe we obede
unte before me kono on say sponsors in the door so and oye bibia na say obi enter with ya na say o so say bibia ade na oye no e say that say ensheda nko enim and I say ye hu ye nti ye fast that kese ema 22 bet on say this no Paul Amantem so na o say di kan for 22 bet there o be so try bet o dey already start percentage dey be man right enye fe dey agro almost say bet to win bet to play bet to win 22 bet omo eso ya sense na Juanco energy drink on say energy drink we no do ba le mo we mo no emfa ho na hia wodi the answer we nya oya kola o ye penyin tem bia obetimi abo sanso na synthesis tank on say tank dudro na ba tank de ansuo gum na say empire hwefom say grind different colors emu so thick o de ansuo gum a bibia because o say tough esa eso strong sanso na Franco Training Enterprise omo de ye bom de obi enim Ghana ho na enim Franco ono electrical appliances bia o phones be na ope than when editor Franco Trading Enterprise also na Global Lighting Center on say dumso abe so o light we use enya papa waso ba show nti say dumso ni nya ba na say light ni je hwe wan hwa na ambulance na obe free nti na so ma we ni yede o dani we ni editor Global Lighting na on mema kania sefata so na jama detergent on say sisi ano so unya semina o be si wata de emu be hwiam and one to spray kra obi ehun nti no de hia na say wato semina ehun ana say ehwiam o de sinyama esa ye den esa so che detergent ba kwa obia agiatum jama right ti aba na hono no Ewurade nyama omode gugu akwema maye no
se o kasa na maye diam wa kasa o se Dortmund board boku no omo coach Eden Terzic ono wakita board boku na che obae ebeji 2010 be assistant okoba be interim wadi team na che nti wonim Dortmund board boku Champions League aye bo free ase oba na o hia we ya pokekra ma fonti ase mado de fo Champions League na back to back ono na end sade no
enye no credit
nti Eden Terzic
menye sure se be no credit
omra ti Havana because of bend that
so na Carlo Ancelotti se na odi kai no se obe retire wo himfa the Galacticos, Real Madrid, Dino, boy, I think a great Olympics. But boy, maybe in car. Tia Havana for so Hona, Yakoya, Jumedian into almost at house. That's not a game, no, not a yet dead. Now said Dino Equos with DSTV. DSTV, we are seeing DSTV. Almost Yasin into writer. Saturday by the see Havana everybody nyame Tema community 9 so ufi community 1 o drive ya ufi 25 ufi a shaman bibi a ufi e wa Tema everybody nyame dan weni na share Asempa FM Adom FM and afi so as Adom TV yen and AJC so bibi BFA Champions League no na what we ye there 1st of June remember that Saturday on the Saturday no so no what bre Friday no ya onyama nyina o de bra and adwumede no so sha se anopa 8 am enti say one month ma obeba na activity bi wa message o message so a enye ni aye
wo na so na monitor Adom TV because sikani be sense
sikani so flow everything nyame Champions League we there me who say Real Madrid that Dortmund be 4 that but we there o mention be 4 apart from say o say
o so be one
4
hey Borussia Dortmund no
Borussia Dortmund
enya bayra bre wadwo be kan say bia Germany league no
o so ahe
sana obeka no say league no ohun so ye
but the last game
Europe
oh right
see na see anim teams bebre Dreams FC ebo Africa no na league o ebo Ghana no to so ahe but ba bi okoduru ye that ten na Dortmund for ye omo break down dominance no
Dreams FC and is a Dortmund e can say
oh be narrow down about Ghana am won senate here Dreams FC no ogina CAF na obo game
it's Real Madrid say why
oh some Madrid dey obo game na nya bibi na bibi a nka Madrid ne Barca nka league no nka Barca na bibi na see na Madrid aji I don't just Champions League obeji
oh
say Borussia Dortmund this is the jersey this is the color
it's Hala Madrid Hala Madrid the Galacticos yeah ka bibi a fita we mo say yellow ni black fra Edrobia be ka
dem support no number 1
oh champion
Borussia Dortmund
right me say sika kuku no eso ebe pem na se sika no odi 20,000 Ghana cedis na o say we dey mesra o dey twa na o say twa Real Madrid dey chi 22 bets twa Real Madrid to win twa be 1,000 Ghana odi enu wi a se che sika obi an kan kire o say na o twa wi no o tua school fees wo o ma baby girl nyama Omo baby girls, the video in Musa Nyama, no baby girls. Into no Musa, no mu twa bet na 22 bet. Osmosis, any PRO, mo twa bet na Radenya me 22 bet. Omo di guachi percentage so.
Yeah, also no so
nyasem kotoa. The 22 bet ne de. Eno ana na watwe wie ye de ko. Obi bia ni bebia, dro bia be ka dem.
Yes.
Hala Madrid. Entiti abana shia Bibia wom no ye de bebrel.
BVB Borussia Dortmund mo so mo shia fans ni na ye koti Havana na Saturday we 1st of June. Near the Jumadi na Asha so Bernard Padibotwe Nyameba and our ten and Kana. Yenina we so near fancy a writer. Amenya Rafael Diala sent through Campesta Creative. We are sending a present and ye Havana Saturday.